Despite the gray day you just saw, summer is actually in full bloom now. And just as spring has come to an end, so has my sketchbook. I really enjoyed this one. I think it just keeps getting better and better. I'm really proud to be feeling so proud about my art. I wanted to share again the last page of this sketchbook. As you may or may not know, it's not my favorite page. There are no more pages to fall back on. It's the finale of my book, Pressure's On. After pushing it off for a week or so, I just decided to do it. It had to be done after all, and really it's just a reflection and documentation of my current state anyways. This would be easier and less pressuring if I didn't share all these things, but at the same time, I really do enjoy sharing this experience and documenting them. Future me will either love these or just be embarrassed, but I'll still be glad I did them. I love being able to visually see progress. I was dabbling at some ideas for my last page when I came across today's winning quote, "Believing in a tomorrow that may or may not come." There is so much beauty in that. So if you're feeling down or stuck or just uninspired, do something today that you'll get full enjoyment of, no matter what that is. Do what you love, watch what you love, eat what you love. Life is too short.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer love.
Thanks for joining me for the last page of this sketchbook. I'll have a sketchbook tour video in one of these coming weeks. I hope you have a great rest of your day, month, year. I'll see you in the next one.